Hello everyone, I am Preeti from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Cyber Security. Today I want to discuss about data structures. In data structure, I want to discuss about pointers and double pointers. What are pointers? Pointers means pointer is a variable that stores a memory address. Pointers are used to store the address of other variables or memory items. Pointers are very useful to store for another type of parameters. Passing usually refers to pass by address. Pointers are essential for dynamic memory allocation. They allow us to directly access and manipulate data in memory. Pointers are used to optimize memory usage and improve programs. How to declare and initialize pointers are declared using a asterisk before the variable name. To initialize a pointer, we assign it in the memory address of variable using the AND operator. Pointer declare here will point to some random memory address as it is not initialized. Such pointers are called while pointers. Accessing values using pointers are to access the value stored at memory address pointers by pointers. We use the difference operator before the pointer variable. Differencing a pointer is the process of accessing the value stored in the memory address. Specific in the pointer, we use the star differencing operator that we used in the pointer declaration. What are null pointers? Null pointers are also known as null reference. Null reference is a value saved for indicating that the pointer or reference does not refer a valid object. Null pointers are pointers that do not point any valid memory address. They are often used to indicate the absence of a value or a error condition. It is important to check if pointer is null before accessing its value to avoid runtime errors. Pointers and arrays are an array is defined as a collection of similar data types. Pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable. The number of variables that can be stored is decided by the size of the array. Pointers can store the address of only a single variable. An array name by itself is as address or pointer in C. In general, a pointer is a variable that assumes address as a values. An array name is constant pointers that points to the first element of the array. We can use the pointers to iterate through array elements and access or modify their values. What are pointer arithmetic? Pointer arithmetic complies a limited set of operations that work in memory address, not values. These operations include incrementing, decrementing, adding integers, subtracting integers, and comparing pointers. They are crucial for tasks like managing arrays and memory allocation. Pointers arithmetic allows us to perform arithmetic operation on pointers. Incrementing a pointer moves it to the next memory allocation based on the size of the data types it to point. What are double pointers? Double pointers means a pointer to pointer is used to store the address of another pointer. The first pointer stores the address of a variable and the second pointer stores the address of the first pointer. Double pointers are pointers that stores the memory address of another pointer. They are often used to dynamic memory allocation and multidimensional arrays. How to declare and initialize double pointers are declared with two asterisks. First one is initialize with the declaration data type double pointer's name equals to and pointer name. Second initialization is after the declaration data type double pointer name equals to and pointer name. Accessing values using double pointers. To access the value stored at a memory address pointers by a double pointers, we use the difference operator. Once a reference is established to a variable, you can't change the reference to reference another variable. To get the value pointer to by a pointer, you need to use the difference operators. What are dynamic memory allocation? Dynamic memory allocation is the process of assigning the memory space during the execution time or the runtime. Reasons and advantages of allocating memory dynamically are when we don't know how much amount of memory would be required for the program. Double pointers are commonly used for dynamic memory allocation. They allow us to allocate and deallocate memory dynamically during program execution. Dynamic memory allocation is essential when the size of data is not at compile time. Pointer versus double pointers. The first pointer is used to store the address of the variable, and the second pointer is used to store the address of the first pointer. That is why they are also known as double pointers. We can use a pointer to a known pointer to change the values of a normal pointer or create. Pointer stores memory address while double pointer stores the memory address of another pointer. Pointers are used to access and modify data directly, while double pointers are often used to complex data structures. Pointers are powerful tools for memory optimization and efficiency programming. Conclusion about pointers and double pointers are powerful concepts for managing memory and optimizing program efficiency. They allow us to directly access and manipulate data in memory. Mastering pointers and double pointers are crucial for advanced programming and system level development. Thank you so much for watching my video.